Hey y'all, today I am doing another unboxing from Diamond Art Club. Do what makes you sparkle. This is more of a small-ish kit compared to some of the others, and I forgot to go ahead and take the cellophane off of it. So let's see. There's the hole that Ginger told me about. I usually try to take the cellophane off of them. I have forgotten. Just some more trash right when I'm unboxing. This one is Home Sweet Home Cats. Yes. Yes, I had to have Home Sweet Home Cats. Isn't it cute? It is a square. It is 32 by 32 centimeters. And that's what this S is for squares. It does not say they have ABs, and I don't think that everything needs ABs, so I'm okay with that. But look, it's like half my crew. Yes, I have 10 cats. I have 3 inside, and now I have 7 outside. So, let's get this box opened up. Obviously, there's going to be a lot of this bus yellow, goldish orange. Oh, hey. Toolkit was on top. All right, so if you've never seen their toolkit, they have a clear tray. They have bags. They have a wax pen. Where'd you put the wax in? You have a scrunchie. This one has a multi-placer. And it has 2 pieces of heart-shaped wax because DAC wants to tell you they love you. All right, so there we go. Yep, look at all the orange. Oh, this is different. Okay, so the born on date was March 14th. Huh. Okay. Did they have some printing issues? Look, we have a sticker. And we have a sticker. And we have lots of stickers over here. Well, I'm going to open this up and I'm going to start to unravel it. And I'm not going to look. And I'm going to see if we have a schematic strip. If we do, I will stop unrolling and then we will look at the beads. If we don't, let me turn it away from me and kind of search. Yes, I feel it. Yes, I feel it. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Okay, I'm pulling it out. Look, and I'm not looking. Ha! There we go. Don't peek. Don't peek. Okay, so we're going to put that over there. Throw that piece away. Oh, this one's big. All right, and it is just the list. There's no schematic at the top. But that's cool. That's cool. I don't need the schematic at the top. The details. I'm not about the details. I can see the details just on the box over here. There are 22 colors. It is going to be a colorful one, folks. Check that out. Definitely colorful. All right, so now we can get into the drills without looking at the canvas first. I kind of like looking at the beads first before the canvas. I'm just wondering what's going on. So I got this 4 days after I ordered it. I always get them 4 days after I order them. I have never gotten them 3 days, even though sometimes it'll say 3 days, and then it's like, nope, I'll get it the next day. And I always do. Oh, they are all about some $9.39, aren't they? And you know what? I appreciate them putting stickers over it if it messed up, if the print was not that great. That is awesome. Now that is customer care. There's your 310 life. Hey, party over here. We got a party crasher in our whites. Then we have, oh my goodness, look at this. We have 4 bags of 742. What's that about? I bet that's the background. This orange, this bright, vibrant orange is going to be our background. Yep, I promise that's what that is. That is our background. Okay, well, so we're going to put those over there. And we're going to look at the lesser colors. Ugh. We have a round something situation right here. Oh, we have a round situation right here. It's blue, and that's a square orange. And then you have the green, and you have like a burnt orange and another burnt orange, and that is a really pretty turquoise. You can't tell it in the camera. That is turquoise. And then you got like a lime green. And there's my crimson red. And a pink. That is a hot pink. That's kind of like a sand light taupe color. I bet that's supposed to be an 8. Looks like they had trouble with their printer that day. There's a gray. There is a dark red. There's a gray. That's a darker gray. There's a darker gray. There's a blue. Kind of a brown. Orange and blue. All right. Now let me get you back in that focus. If you have never seen any of my other videos, and this is the first time you're watching my videos, first off, welcome. Welcome to the crazy. Oh, no, not really, but, I mean, just having fun. And I have to manually focus my camera because it keeps wanting to do the back and forth thing. All right. And that just drives me insane. And it would give me a headache if I had to keep dealing with that. So that's why I manually focus. I thought this one would be really good, like near the front door or the back door. My dad's going to kill me. He's going to go, what is that? Oh, okay. So now I'm going to turn my head and I'm going to work on unrolling this. And I love the back of the canvas. I tell you what. What is this strip? I don't know what is that? Drives me insane. Okay, we ready? I got the end. I found the end. We'll throw that away. All right, here we go. Ta-da! Oh, look at them. Yeah, to me, this is kind of a small. It's not a T90. It's definitely not a T90. But it's a small. And sometimes you need a small in your life. I wonder what Daddy would say if I hung this on the front door. Oh, he may kill me, but I might do it. I might hang it on the front door because, you know, we have a glass door. Oh, that would be perfect. Too bad it doesn't say beware of cats. Oh, look, see, there's a tail. A tail. And the sign, home sweet home, with all the paws. Oh, look at the paws. Can you see this? Okay. Yeah, they're there. Okay. I was checking. Okay, so you have your details here. Let me get you down. I'm going to make you fuzzy, and then I'm going to pull you on down into it. There we go. Yeah, see, this does not, this P right here, that does not bother me. It's only when it's like on the hot pink and the red that it really troubles me. Gives me a little trouble there. Okay, so let me move the box and stuff. Try to get you over here. Even though I've shown it to you on the box, you see, oh, so cute. I love them. Look at their faces. Every one of them looks like they have their own little personality. Look at them. Oh. Yes, Diamond Art Club is about to make my front door sparkle. We'll see if I'm able to get away with leaving it there. Isn't it cute? Home sweet home. Oh, it's adorable. Yep. That 742, I'm definitely gonna need a lot of it. And this does kind of look a lot like my menagerie. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. This is the problem with DAC. You know what? They're just, I tell you, because I look at one, it's like, oh, that's the next one I want to do. And then I look at it, I'll do another unboxing, and it's like, oh, that's the next one I want to do. Well, I can't do all of them at one time. I cannot. I am not able to do all of them at one time. So, they're just so mean like that. They put out such good ones. They need to slow down. I need them to slow down with bringing out new ones so that I can get some of the older ones done. And they need to let some people who are new to diamond painting kind of get caught up. You know, I only have 62. I think I have 62 Diamond Art Club. Yeah. All right. So, home sweet home cats. Definitely one for me. All right, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this boxing. Please go check out some of my other unboxings. If you have not been in my YouTube channel before, there are plenty of them for you to see. And welcome. And if you have been here a few times and you have subscribed and you saw that I came up with another video, well, welcome back. And yeah, just so thankful that y'all are here. And y'all like to see my reaction to opening these up. Thank you so much for stopping by. And until the next time I see you. Bye, y'all.